Universities and the scientists who work at them sometimes come into conflict over who owns the intellectual property rights to technologies developed in university laboratories. This tension was on display in the copyright case Rouse versus Walter and Associates. Gene Rouse and Doyle Wilson were professors of animal science at Iowa State University. They spent several years researching the use of ultrasound on live cattle to determine the quality of their meat. Rouse and Wilson assigned the copyright of the software for the ultrasound device to the Iowa State University Research Foundation, or ISERF. They hired another Iowa State animal scientist, Viren Amin, to program the front-end software for this application. Amin did the programming both on campus and at home. Rouse and Wilson used a small portion of their grant money to buy new computers for this programming job. Amin's software, USoft, stated that it was copyrighted to Iowa State University. Iowa State ran a cattle ultrasound lab using this technology for 2 years. It then decided to transition the lab to the private sector. It licensed the technology, including USoft, to Marvin Walter and Associates. Rouse, Wilson, and Amin decided to establish their own commercial ultrasound business, which would compete with Walter. Rouse and Wilson sued Walter for copyright infringement, claiming that they were the exclusive owners of USoft. Walter argued that Amin, Rouse, and Wilson created USoft within the scope of their employment, making it a work made for hire, and Iowa State the owner of the copyright. The court considered Walter's motion for partial summary judgment.